gonna do a little preview of the video that I'm gonna post online. It's a trip me and Tina took down to Grand Isle. We went to the beach there to see how it was in the ocean, and I'm trying to get this stuff figured out with making movies, so of course I lost some of the footage of the drive, but the bridges down there were pretty cool. Sorry about the noise. Somebody's just coming into the campground. They're setting up right behind us here, so they're backing up and setting up their campers, so hopefully it won't take me too long to get this done. But as I said before, I lost some of the footage of the drive. The bridges down there were pretty cool. I can't get it back. I don't know how to get it back, but I tried doing a time machine restore, but I can't seem to find those video clips anymore. Now I'm going to start backing everything up to my external drive. I'll download everything out of there first, and then I'll transfer it into the application that I'm using to make movies, so then I don't have to worry about losing that stuff. Live and learn, I guess. I'm doing some online studying on making movies, and we'll see how it goes. Just give you an update too. Last weekend we went home, surprise casing it for her wedding. That seemed to go pretty good. Life down here has been interesting, to say the least. It's been hot. It's been cold. It's been really humid. But, you know, we've been surviving. Camper's doing alright, other than my little blowout I had with the black tank. That was an adventure all in itself, but I'll post that video too, because I'm going to be having to remove my black tank. I'll probably remove my gray tank too and replace both of them right away, because the tanks that come in these RVs, you know, these RVs cost a lot of money, and the tanks they put in them are junk. I don't understand why they have a two-piece tank, because that's where it breaks, where the two pieces come together. It's weak. You know, we don't travel with the tanks full. We travel with them empty. All I was doing was dumping my black tank and running the black tank flush, and it popped. The top popped off, and I got a big crack in the top. And luckily, it's not leaking, but that's what happened. So now I'm gonna be looking online trying to find a single-piece tank. I'm back. I was talking to the local guy that does a mobile repair service to campers here. I had a couple questions for him. I wanted to ask in regards to the black tank issue that I was talking about before. Well, camping life is so much fun. We were going to go down there this weekend, but guess what? There's another hurricane coming in. Hurricane Delta. Can you believe it? They're into the Greek alphabet. They're like, everybody down here is just amazed that all these hurricanes are coming through, but this one looks like we might get it. We'll probably get some of the wind and rain, but I don't think we're not in the direct path of it, so we're not gonna, hopefully not have to worry about the super high winds and everything. But we'll keep you posted. Maybe I'll do some video of the weather, but that's supposed to hit Friday afternoon, Friday night, tomorrow. I'm off today. The World War II Museum was pretty awesome. It's huge. It's a huge place. It's on 6 acres in downtown New Orleans. We haven't got to see too much of the other stuff around because of the restrictions down here as well. French quarters, not much is open down there, and a lot of businesses are actually out of business. It's sad to see. But we'll hopefully see some more interesting stuff, and I'll post some videos on that. Tina's finishing up some laundry today. Don't forget to keep us in your prayers and keep in touch. Don't forget about us down here. We haven't forgot about any of you up there in Wisconsin. Starting to look at new locations for my next contract. I don't know. They haven't offered me to re-up here yet, but so I've just been looking. Maybe Florida, Georgia, Texas, Arizona. I don't know. Somewhere. I want to go somewhere where I can do some hunting. I really want to do some hunting and fishing. So that's all I got for now. I'll talk to you guys later. my finger. I don't want to lose that again. Well, this is our first little trip we did down here in Louisiana. We came to the beach down on Grand Isle. Pretty nice down here. The water's like a bathtub. A little dirty from all the wave action, but it's pretty cool. I don't know if I could live here. There's not much to do on this stretch of beach, unless you're a fisherman or take people out fishing. There's not a lot. Not a lot down here either. There's boats that I want. Each one I look at is bigger than the last one, and I'd love to have all of them. It's so warm out here. At least it's not as humid today. The humidity's been horrible. Walk out of the camper at 5 o'clock in the morning and instant sweat, wear in the air. It's so humid. It's only supposed to get up to like 88 degrees today, which is better than the 99 it's been every day for the last week and a half that we've been down here. Hopefully I can get my computer going good enough that I can edit some videos and put them up. I'd like to do that. I'd like to do some like vlogging or something. It'd be kind of cool to have a YouTube channel showing our adventures and a place to save everything. I'd have to upgrade my hard drive. I got an old hard drive. I don't have a nice digital one, so it is what it is. Work's been going good. Of course, the first couple of days it's all orientation, sitting at a computer. Boring. And on last Monday was my first day in the OR. I had a little bit of training in the morning, and then I had, you're naughty. What do you like about it down here so far?
Beach is good. Don't really talk to many people, but it's all good.
You have to learn to talk to people. Am I gonna videotape you drowning?
That would be an anniversary present now, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Post that up on YouTube?
Yeah.
I wish the dolphins would come back. As I was saying before I got so rudely interrupted by my wife, who scared the shit out of me, snuck out here. Monday was my first day in the OR by myself. I got to do ortho trauma, which I really like. That was fun. For being a brand new hospital, though, a lot of things don't work down here. It's kind of crazy. It's only 6 years old, and that's what a lot of people talk about is the bad condition of the building being over $1 billion, and outlets don't work, and circuit breakers pop, sewer lines break in the hospital, which I think is kind of gross. And Wednesday I worked a 12-hour shift. Got to do my first gunshot wound down here. That was crazy. So many people in the room. Felt so bad. It was family. Dad, mom, and little one all got shot. Mom was the worst. She had 5 gunshot wounds. Tore her belly up pretty bad. Doctors did a good job. Got the bullet out. Got to do my first forensic evidence for chain of custody for the evidence when they do their investigation, and if they catch the person that did it, then they can use that as evidence. That was kind of neat. I've never done that before. It's a big hospital. It's huge. There's 25, 26 ORs. They even have an OR 13. I couldn't believe that. They actually have an OR 13. Food down here is amazing. Wisconsin hospital food sucks. You could have the best hospital in Wisconsin, the best cafeteria there, and it pales in comparison to the food down here. And they say this food isn't the greatest hospital food either. So far I have not been disappointed. They deep fry everything down here. It's just amazing. They got sushi, they got everything down here. They had like a oriental wok type food place where they boy that Gunner got. He's like, I'll have the blue crab one, thinking it was just blue crab meat, and when they brought it out, it was an actual deep fried, soft shell blue crab. The look on his face was priceless, but it was so good. Big waves coming in now. Breaking way out there, that's a big wave. We're gonna have to come back down to this beach a couple more times. We didn't bring any chairs or a canopy or anything, but that seems to be the thing to do to be able to get out of the sun, because once you get out of the water, the sun can be kind of brutal down here. Big undertow there. But we're having a good time so far. We need to get another air conditioner. One air conditioner does all right, but two would make it a lot nicer in the camp. It gets pretty hot and humid during the day. I'm hoping to talk to the campground, our neighbor. I've been talking to him a lot. His wife's a traveling nurse as well. They're leaving next week, or this coming week. And then their site, they got a tree on it, so I'm gonna talk to the campground and see if I can switch sites and get our camper underneath the tree, and that should help with the heat. My wife's being camera shy. She doesn't want to come over and interrupt or be on camera. She don't like being on camera. I think I'll get her talking into it sooner or later. She's having fun in the